Hello, dear friends. The Kyrgyz-Russian University have an open day online today. Today, our representatives of the Kyrgyz-Russian University will be on the air. They will tell you about our university, and also our students will be on the air. They will tell you about the specifics of studying here, and as well as in Kyrgyzstan, in country, which applicants will be study and acquire knowledge in their chosen specialty. You can contact us and ask your questions using the contacts you see below. Where Kyrgyz is, there is a victory. Kyrgyz-Russian University. This is a unique educational institution, a union of two states, Kyrgyzstan and Russia. Kyrgyz conducts active educational activities for the benefit of the students themselves and for the benefit of the countries where the students come from. These are 20 countries of the world in which the authority of the Kyrgyz and the diplomas of the Kyrgyz Republic and the Russian Federation issued by it are recognized. The same is confirmed by 380 agreements on cooperation between the university and the universities of the CIS countries, Europe and Asia. The university is a classical institution of higher education. In 2019 and 2020, the university successfully passed the accreditation examination of Kyrgyzstan and Russia, confirming the quality of the educational process and its compliance with the educational standards of the two states. This conclusion ensures the integration of the university into a single educational space of the CIS countries and far abroad. In 2011, the university switched to a multi-tiered training system. The university implements more than 2,000 enlarged groups of directions and the specialties at all levels of higher education. For example, bachelor's, master's, specialty, postgraduate studies. In Kyrgyz, where study more than 9,000 people, there are 7 faculties and 92 departments. The educational process is provided by more than 1,000 people from among the teaching staff, of which 70% have a candidate or Doctor of Science degree. For their contribution to the development of science and technology, 7 university employees became laureates of the State Prize of the Kyrgyz Republic. Their work gives a beneficial result. Last year, medical students got 58 prizes in the international and Republican, Olympians and the competitions. At the university, the issue of creating a creative environment, providing conditions for the inclusion of students in scientific research, their connection to entrepreneurial activity is relevant. In 2019, students of the Faculty of Economics of Kyrgyz participated in the international competition 100 Ideas. They were successfully presented the Grow Up project, and this project was recognized as the best IT project in Kyrgyzstan. The university has a college and a high school. During the implementing of educational programs of higher education, programs of secondary vocational education, basic and additional general education, and professional programs, the Kyrgyz-Russian University is guided by the legislation of the Russian Federation and the Kyrgyz Republic. Specialists of this quality are always in demand not only in Kyrgyzstan and Russia, but also in other countries. This year, we are celebrating the 75th anniversary of the victory of the Soviet people in the Great Patriotic War. Students of Kyrgyz in these significant days did not verbally declare their involvement with the great feat of the generation of winners. In the context of the fight against the coronavirus pandemic, they provide assistance in the delivery of medicines to sick people, and the students of the university's medical faculty, our residents, took to the line of fire and fought for the health of people in the hospitals in Kyrgyzstan. They know where Kyrgyz is, there is a victory.
Дорогие друзья, сегодня мы хотим вам рассказать.
Dear friends, Today we represent the Kyrgyz-Russian-Slavic University. Today we want to tell you about our university, about our international activity, about the study opportunities for foreign students. Our university is a young state educational institution of a higher professional education, created on the basis of an agreement between the governments of the Russian Federation and the Kyrgyz Republic in 1993. Our university was the first university between two states. The main goals of the university are educational, science and cultural connections between Russia and Kyrgyzstan. And from the opening of KRSU, foreign students began to study here. First of all, they were from Russia, Kazakhstan and Tajikistan. Then our geography has expanded. Currently, 1,607 foreign students study at our university, which makes up 20% of the total number of KRSU students. The Kyrgyz-Russian-Slavic University conducts active international activities. Currently, KRSU successfully cooperates with 462 well-known and prestigious universities in the world. This allows us to be active in the international educational space, to participate in large international projects and programs. The main advantage of our university is that our graduates receive 2 diplomas of Kyrgyz Republic and Russian Federation. In 2015, the university began training medical specialists in English for students, citizens of India. Currently, the university is preparing to graduate the first specialist in this program. The main help for university is provided by Mr. Sharmaishwari Narayan, the General Director of LCMDS IMPEX, the official and only contractor for the admission of foreign citizens from India to study at KRSU, and Mr. Reda Said Sabri for Arab students. He is official marketing director. For our foreign students who don't know Russian at all, our university has preparatory courses where students can, during the first year, learn Russian sufficiently to continue their studies in the chosen specialty. Study language is Russian, but for Indian students who study general medicine, the study language is English. This year we have made a site for our students where you can find all information about admission process or just contact us using contacts that you see below. There are all the necessary structures that deal with issues of visa support for students and the solution of their legal, social and everyday problems during the period of study. University administration and professors strive to provide and organize a safe and interesting student life for students. Our foreign students enjoy all the rights and opportunities that are provided to all other students in our country. Kyrgyzstan is a beautiful country, and in conclusion, I would like to say that Kyrgyz people are tolerant, hospitable and friendly. The youth of country is educated, talented and open to other cultures and people. That's why it's not just interesting to learn something new here, but also to live in our republic. We invite young people and people willing to comprehend science to study at our university. We are waiting for you. Thank you.
И надеемся на наше плодотворное сотрудничество. Спасибо. Я хочу предоставить слово представителю Индии, организатору связи между индийскими студентами и нашим университетом, доктору Sharma Ishwadi Narayan.
नमस्ते डियर फ्रेंड्स, किर्गिज़स्तान स्लाविक यूनिवर्सिटी के बारे में हमारे प्रोफेसर आपको काफ़ी कुछ बता दिए हैं, तो मैं अपना परिचय दे देता हूँ। मेरा नाम डॉक्टर ईश्वरी नारायण शर्मा है, जनरल डायरेक्टर ऑफ एमडीएस इम्पेक्स, एक मात्र कंपनी है जो किर्गिज़स्तान स्लाविक यूनिवर्सिटी के साथ पार्टनरशिप में है। तो एमडीएस इम्पेक्स पिछले 5-6 साल से किर्गिज़स्तान स्लाविक के साथ काम कर रही है एज ए मार्केटिंग, एज स्टूडेंट्स। तो हमारे यहाँ वैसे सिर्फ इंडिया से ही नहीं और अरेबिक कंट्री, अफ्रीकन कंट्री से भी काफ़ी स्टूडेंट्स हैं। तो इंडिया से 300+ स्टूडेंट हमारे यहाँ पढ़ते हैं, जिसमें कि हम प्रोवाइड करते हैं अपने यहाँ सर्विसेज, हॉस्टल से लेके मेडिकल एंड etc। हमारे यहाँ वैसे एग्ज़ाम्स सिचुएशन अभी कोविड की वजह से काफ़ी हर जगह प्रॉब्लम हुई है, तो इस कोविड के सिचुएशन को देखते हुए एडमिशन अभी तक हमने भी डिले किया हुआ है। सो हमारे यहाँ भी अभी एडमिशन टाइम्स 15 नवंबर तक ओपन है, आगे का फिर देखते हैं। बाकी का अभी फ़िलहाल जैसे कि अब्रॉड जाने के लिए फ़्लाइट्स और इंडियन गवर्नमेंट ने काफ़ी रिस्ट्रिक्शन किए हुए हैं, तो उसको देखते हुए बच्चों का साल ना ख़राब हो, तो हम लोग भी अभी ऑनलाइन ही सिस्टम स्टार्ट किए हैं, जैसे कि हर जगह चल रहा है। तो अभी एक सेमेस्टर ऑनलाइन ही रहेगा, बाकी का फिर फरवरी में देखते हैं, जैसा सिचुएशन रहेगा आगे उसी हिसाब से देखेंगे। बाकी का हमारे साथ 6th ईयर के हमारे बैच के स्टूडेंट हैं मिस्टर नुमान, वो आपको बताएंगे यूनिवर्सिटी के बारे में और इस सिटी के बारे में, जो भी यहाँ पे इन्होंने 6 सालों में महसूस किया। सो प्लीज़।
Hello, my name is Numan. I am from India, Lucknow. I am a final year student of Kyrgyzstan Slavic University. I am studying here in English medium. Our teacher is very helpful in every perspective. We are provided with our English and electronic libraries, and also most importantly we are provided with the MCI classes here. Our administration is very helpful here. They help us in every circumstances, any problem we are facing. I am living here from last 6 years, and people are very helping here, and weather is very nice, and also most importantly we are provided with the hostel that are well furnished, and we are provided with the foods, Indian foods we are provided with. We are having our own Indian chefs that help to provide a food that we miss in our homelands, and we are provided with the best faculty of education in Kyrgyzstan, and I'm very thankful to Mr. Ishwari sir for providing this type of facility, and thank you.
Today, at the university, about 3,000 students are studying in the field of medicine. 1/3 of them are citizens of the near and far abroad. Today, the faculty has its own educational and treatment centers and more than 20 clinical bases, and everything began much more modestly, from one small branch.
There was only one department. We thought about how to call it. It was a team specific because there were few people. It was impossible to create a separate department of anatomy, physics, and so on. All were gathered and named the Department of Medical Biological and Medical Psychological Disciplines. The teachers were mostly part-time workers.
On the way of the creation of the Faculty of Medicine, there were complex tasks that had to be solved as soon as possible. At that time, there was an acute shortage of the medical textbooks at the university. Employees of the university, with all they might, with all connections, tried to provide literature for young doctors.
Students were waiting for books. These books were in Moscow. I asked my friends from the presidential administration if you somehow can send them on board number 1. I asked them to bring literature here. Suddenly I had a call from the airport. Listen here, they unloaded from the presidential plane. Customs officers and afraid to approach to this package that lies in the middle of the airfield.
But this was in the past. In our day, the medical faculty of Kyrgyzstan is one of the best faculties in the Kyrgyzstan. We have a strong teaching staff, which is always ready to solve high and very responsible tasks. Students are taught by doctors with extensive work experience.
What kind of people teach our students? People with well-known names usually teach our students. I don't need to introduce them to applicants and our students because they have a meaningful role in the medical field.
Starting to study medicine, even freshmen from the very first day feel the responsibility that the chosen profession imposes on them. They take part in various contests, Olympiads, and festivals, where they are included in the scientific life of the faculty.
I am engaged in the Student Scientific Society of the department. There are about 30 students in our organization. They are permanent members, with whom we travel to various international symposia, international conferences, surgical Olympiads. Not so long ago we were in the city of Novosibirsk, where there was a major international Olympiad in surgery. We took a common third place there, took places in competitions. There was about 13 competitions.
Medical students are not expecting an easy study. Before becoming a true master of this craft, the future doctor must go a long way. The most important experience in providing medical care and patient care is gained by practicing, for example, on rabbits.
We are conducting an experiment. These are the rabbits on which we trained for the Olympics. When we operated, we set up an experiment. Now we exclude these rabbits from the experiment and we collect material. We have previously performed operations on rabbits and on rats.
Today, the faculty has 37 departments. Over the years of its existence, about 4,000 doctors have been trained. In 2020, the 21st graduation of medical doctors took place, the 12th of pediatricians and dentists, the 90th clinical residents. Many graduates of the faculty were able to enter and successfully complete their postgraduate studies and residency at leading foreign medical universities. Some are now working in the USA, Germany, Israel, India, Pakistan, and China.
There's a place I go to when no one knows me. It's not lonely.
Hi, this is Teja Reddy. I am from India, Andhra Pradesh. I am studying in Kyrgyz-Russian Slavic University, which is located in Bishkek. It is one of the most prestigious and topmost ranked university in Kyrgyzstan. It provides education in different specialities and in different areas. It is recognized by WHO, World Health Organization, and MCI, that is Medical Council of India. It is the joint jurisdiction of both the Russian Federation and the Kyrgyz Republic. The students, after the completion of the medical course, they receive degrees from two governments. One is from the Russian government and other is the Kyrgyz government. This university provides teaching in English medium, that is in English language. It also helps in the teaching of Russian language, which helps us to deal with the local Russians during the medical training. We have specialized classrooms and libraries which contain both Russian and English medical books for studying.
Da-dum-dum-dum. Da-dum-dum. Da-da-dum-da-dum-dum-dum. Da-dum-dum-dum. Da-dum-dum.
Hi, hello, Namaste. I'm Karthik and this is Surya Teja. We are here to explain you about the hostel provided by our Honorable Kyrgyz-Russian Slavic University for us. Our hostel is situated in a peaceful area which is near to the main city and far away from the outward disturbances. While coming for outdoor appearance of our hostel, it has a rich look with an open gallery which is provided with 24/7 focus CC camera. Let's enter into our hostel.
This is the entrance room, and here we are provided with mini cupboards in which our shoes are kept. Let's walk into the hostel. Right now we are in the corridor. Coming to the safety and security regulations of a hostel, every corner is provided with a CC cam. Not only inside, from the outdoor to the room door, every person entrance is recorded and reviewed.
Take it all in and wake up that small part of me. Day to day I'm blind to see and find how far.
To lead a hygienic life, we are provided with the clean bathrooms and toilets. We are also facilitated with the washing machines and refrigerators in the each floor. And this is a fabulous kitchen. The word fabulous mentioned by me due to the delicious food we taste over here. This is all because of a fantastic Indian cook named Chandra.
There's a place I'm going. No one knows me. If I breathe
This is our room. It's a double bedded room. Here we are provided with a cupboard in which our clothes are kept. Not only this, we are also facilitated with an air conditioner and a window for open ventilation. Unlike other hostels, our hostel is provided with a television set. The main motto of television set is to increase our communication skills. As you all know that Bishkek runs in a native temperature, here every room of our hostel is provided with a heater, which can maintain a standard temperature inside whatever the temperature outside is. Not only inside the room, everywhere in our corridor we are maintained with heaters to centralize the heating system.
to go. Everybody got the reason,
This university not only provides best education but also encourages the students to participate in other physical activities like sports, music, dancing and other physical cultural activities. We are having Dean office for all the foreign students here. We are also having polyclinic. Students can visit the polyclinic in case of any kind of illness.
Hi, I'm Jaishravani Umdi. I'm from India, Andhra Pradesh, Kakinada. This is our Kyrgyz-Russian Slavic University hostel. Our hostel is provided with double-bedded and multi-bedded rooms. Even some of our rooms have attached washrooms. This is our room. We live 3 members in this room. Our room is very spacious and we feel very comfort with our room.
There's a place I'm going. No one knows me. If I breathe real slow, let it out, let it in. It can be terrifying. Also clarifying. We end where we begin.
Dear friends, we invite you to study in our Kyrgyz-Russian Slavic University. Our staff are excellent doctors and teachers. We've got excellent clinical bases, laboratories, hospitals and medical centers where foreign students may have great opportunity to brush up their clinical skills. Thus, studying in our university, you will realize your dream to be an excellent doctor. Hope to see you again. Good wishes to you and your parents. Thanks.
I'm pleasure to study in this university. I mainly thank Dr. Gadi Naresh sir, Sandeep Chaturvedi sir, Ishwari Narayan sir for providing us one of the top universities. Thank you.